Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a method that I never shared before for affiliate marketing to promote your affiliate offers, to promote your blog, your website, to build your mailing list. And did I say it's free? It is free. And we are actually going to use a quiz. Quizzes are proven to go viral very easily, and we are going to use that to promote our affiliate offers. And even if you're an absolute beginner, don't worry, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up everything. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to begin. Okay, first thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. And for that you can use ClickBank, you can use Digistore24, you can use JVZoo, you can use Warrior Plus or some other affiliate network. But I personally prefer ClickBank. So I'm here on ClickBank Marketplace, and I also got message from many of you asking me how to promote sport-related products. So today I'm going to show you how to promote sport-related products, but you can successfully apply this method on promoting products from other niches as well. But like I said, today I'm going to show you how to promote sport-related products. So what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I can click here on this arrow, and here you can see different sports: automotive, baseball, basketball, and so on and so on. Or you can simply click here on sports and get all the products related to sports. And I can actually sort this by gravity and get best selling sport related products on ClickBank. And you actually need to research all of these products. And here you can see golf related products. Golf is a hot sub niche of sports. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, best converting golf offer on ClickBank. So I can actually open their sales page to check it out. So let me just open it in new tab. So let me just scroll to their page. Okay, they are opening their sales page with a video. That is always a good thing. So let me just scroll further through their page. Okay, so this is actually not the best sales page, but it's not the worst sales page either. So this is actually an average sales page, but we can actually make sales. So when we go back here on ClickBank, we will see that they actually don't have affiliate tools page, but they do have contact email for their affiliates. But actually we don't really need their affiliate tools page because we are not going to use their tools. Okay, so now we need to start promoting this product, and one of the best and one of the easiest ways of promoting products is to actually create a related quiz related to that product. And for that we are actually going to use a website called tryinteract.com to create quiz related to our product. And you can use that quiz to drive traffic to your blog, to your website, to promote your affiliate offers, to build your mailing lists, and so on and so on. And when you actually go here, you can see there are different kind of templates that you can use for animals, automotive, beauty, books, branding, career, business, bridal, and so on and so on. There is lots of already pre-made templates that you can use. So it is really simple and easy to make this quiz. So even if you are absolute beginner, you will know how to make this quiz and drive traffic to your affiliate offers. Obviously, first thing you need to do, you need to register. You can register for a free account at the beginning. Later you can actually upgrade to paid plan. But like I said, for the beginning, free plan is quite fine. Now after you register, you will come to this page here. And here you can see different templates that you can use. Here you can sort them by newest or alphabetical. Here you can choose the type of the quiz, personal, scored, assessment, and here you can choose what is your goal. Browse all, audience research, generate leads, just for fun, segment my audience, test their knowledge, and start from scratch. But you can actually use this browse all and sort them by the newest. And here you need to find the right template for your quiz. And there are actually templates for relationships, for yoga, for fitness, for workout. Just go through these pages until you find the right for you. Okay, this one here is related to golf, and we are actually promoting a golf related product. So when I hover here and click on preview, I can actually see how this quiz actually looks like. Here you can see questions, as you can see here, and I can also click here on use template to create my own quiz related to golf in this case, but you can also use this template to create quizzes related to other sports as well, for football, for basketball, baseball, and so on and so on. And here you can actually edit everything. Just click here, for example, to edit this title. I can click here and I can delete this, and I can add whatever I want to add. And I can also, let me just get this back. You can also edit this cover image. Now, cover image is really important, because if you have a good eye-catching image, that means that more people will click on your post, click on your quiz and take that quiz. So eye-catching image, cover image is really important. I can also edit this part here, description. I just click here and you can simply delete it, or you can leave it as it is. And I will actually leave it as it is because this actually is a good golf related quiz. You can also edit this one here to say whatever you want. And here on the left side, when you click on questions, you will see all the questions that this quiz actually contains. Here you can see first question. As you can see, what is the maximum amount of time allowed to look for a lost ball? And here you have three options: 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute. And you can also add your own answer. And you can also delete any of these options. Here, just click here on delete and you will delete. You can also click here on edit and you can replace this image. You can change this text here, and you can, like I said, you can change everything. You can customize everything related to your own topic. Now, I will not change anything here because, like I said, this is actually a good golf related quiz. But if you are, for example, in some other sport, what you can do, you can simply go on Google, and here in search bar you can simply type soccer quiz questions and click search to find soccer related questions. And look at here, 105 soccer trivia questions with answers. So when you click here, you will actually get soccer related questions and trivia. Let me just scroll here. Here you can see question, here you can see answers, and you can use these questions and answers to actually add them to your quiz here. Like I said, if you have a soccer related quiz, you can also do the same and find questions related to weight loss, to DIY, to yoga, to fitness, to relationships, to parenting, and so on and so on. Just go on Google and search for example, relationship quiz questions or parenting quiz questions, and then just go back on try interact and create your own quiz with your own questions. And like I said, here you can see different questions. This is another question, and you can even delete entire question here. If you don't want this many questions, you can delete some questions, you can add new questions, and when you click here on results, you can actually see results, and this is the most important part for us, because here we can actually add call to action, here we can add our affiliate link. And here I can see one of the results. 3 tips to shave strokes off your scorecard. Get to know your gear, perfect your posture, and I can actually delete all of these. So let me just delete all of this. You just scroll here and I can delete this. And here for the number 3, I can say something like this. Click here to add 40, 50 or even 60 yards of straight as the arrow distance of the tee. And I can just click enter and I can say click here. And I can actually highlight this and I can make it bold. And I can also click here and I can choose H1 to make this bigger, and I can actually add my affiliate link here. So all I have to do is just click here on this little chain, and I need to go back on ClickBank, and I need to click here on promote and click here generate hoop links. Give it a second, click here to copy, minimize this, go back here and I can paste my link, my ClickBank affiliate link here, and I can just say for link text, I can say click here and I can click open a new tab and click here save, and that's it. I added my affiliate link here. So when someone click here, it will take them to ClickBank affiliate offer. I can also hide this call to action, or you can simply customize this. Just click here and I can actually say click here. And I can add my affiliate link here. Just click here on URL and just add URL, add your affiliate link, click here save, and I added this. I can also hide it. Just click here on hide, and that's it. I hide call to action button. All I have to do now is just click here in upper right corner on publish, click here on publish, give it a few seconds, and then click here publish as it is. Give it a few seconds and it published my quiz. And this is the link to my quiz here. I can copy this link and here you can see you can promote that quiz on Facebook, on Twitter, on Pinterest, on LinkedIn, on your email. You can also embed this quiz. You can add announcement bar, you can pop-up ad, you can add it as a pop-up. You can even use Facebook ads to promote your quiz. Like I said, quizzes are proven to go viral very, very easily, and you can use it to get tons and tons of free traffic to your website, to your blog, to your mailing list, to your affiliate offer. So now all you have to do is just start promoting that quiz. And to promote your quiz, you can simply go on Facebook and find related groups to your quiz. In this case, that is a golf. And here you can see there is lots of golf related groups that you can join and promote your quiz. As you can see, 22,000 members, 8,000 members, 17,000 members, 82,000 members, 8,000 members, and so on and so on. And you can use these groups to promote your quiz for free. And people will click on that quiz because, like I said, people like quizzes. And if you add an interesting and eye-catchy description and eye-catchy photo and eye-catchy cover photo of your quiz, and if you play on their emotion, and if you challenge their knowledge, they will take that quiz to test their own knowledge, to prove their knowledge about golf in this case. But one of the most efficient ways of promoting quizzes is actually through Instagram pages, related Instagram pages. And to find related Instagram pages, here in search bar, you should type your main keyword, in this case something like golf lovers. And Instagram will give you golf related pages. So let me just open this one here, Proud Golfer, in new tab, just to check it out. And as you can see, this page has 26,000 followers, which means they have a swipe up option on the story, and they also don't have a link in their bio, which means they can add our affiliate link in their bio. So what we need to do, we need to contact the administrator of this page and ask them for the price of promotion. And you should actually test to see which of those two options are working best for you. You should test both swipe up stories and also posts. And also you should test reels, because reels are currently hot on Instagram, and you should definitely test reels and ask the administrator, do they actually accept link in the bio? And like I said, most 99% of these pages do accept affiliate links in their bio. So you can drive traffic to your quiz from these Instagram pages, and they will be glad to do that because you are actually sending people on the interesting quiz, and many people will take that quiz and they will not even realize that you are promoting affiliate product. And many people will, like I said, take that quiz, and some of those people will buy the product that you are promoting. And you saw how easy it is to create these quizzes and to add your affiliate link into this quiz. And you can promote this quiz on Tumblr, on Twitter, on Pinterest, on related forums, and so on and so on. And if you have interesting questions and interesting photos, there is a good chance that your quiz will actually go viral, and you will get thousands and thousands of free visitors to your quiz, and thousands of people will see your call to action, and some of those people will click on your affiliate link and will buy your affiliate product, and you will make money. So this is how you do affiliate marketing without website as a beginner, by driving free traffic. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.